Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I bring you this excellent tip to make our own anti-flea shampoo for our beloved pets. We do this to have it in case we do not have money at the time they are coming out, or we cannot take them to have their anti-flea bath at the vet, or any other reason that you can think of. And the best thing is that, as always, it is using things that we already have in our houses or in a house that we are visiting, and although it is not very cheap and can be gotten anywhere, now I show you what we will need. We are going to need liquid dish soap. The brand does not matter. White vinegar, like any brand, only that it is white of the normal one that we get in any store. In this case, a cup of warm water, because I am only going to make a small amount since I have a pug puppy and they are not very big, but I leave you the normal recipe in the description. And finally, something to stir and mix everything well, and obviously a container to do it in. Pour in the cup of water, which I remind you has to be warm. I don't know why exactly, but that's how it comes in all the recipes I've seen. Take the dish soap, which I remind you can be any brand. Just make sure it's liquid and put a quarter cup in the bowl where we'll mix everything. And in the same measuring spoon, put a quarter cup of white vinegar and proceed to beat everything. We can stir it with the same measuring spoon or cup to remove all the dish ham that stuck to it, but in this case I have a spatula so that everything is incorporated perfectly. Stir it well until everything looks mixed, and we put it in a small bottle that we have empty and clean on hand. Since we perfectly mixed the mixture of soap with vinegar and warm water, we take the bowl and empty the liquid, in this case into the same soap bottle, since mine was almost finished, and so we recycle. But first we empty the liquid from the bowl into a plastic cup to pour all this shampoo that we made in the bottle. Or if you have a clean funnel on hand, it will be much easier to deposit and we will not spill a drop. All that remains is to cover it, and as you can see we already have it deposited and ready to use when we need it. Remember that it works the same as an anti-flea shampoo. Just apply it until it foams a lot and leave it on for about 5 minutes without getting water on it, but without spilling anything in its eyes or mouth, and then rinse our dog perfectly. As you can see, with 3 simple ingredients that we have at home, we can have an emergency anti-flea shampoo for our pet. And more so because on dates where there is a lot of rain and humidity forms, and when our dogs go out into the garden, it is inevitable that a flea or two can get on them. But this way we will have our shampoo on hand at the first sign that they may have these horrible spikes. As you know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give it a like on the Facebook page, and check out the other videos because I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this advice has been useful to you, and, more than anything, that it has been useful to your pets. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.